friends, we just arrived at Beziers and going to have a holiday in Capital Agde, and this is the best place in Europe for holidays. Continue watching the video and you will know why.
Hi, I am Noob Lulu and this is my travel blog for August 2019. Speaking of South France Mediterranean holidays, luxurious beach stay, you might never heard of this little town Capital Agde, the corner of Agde. So here are my 5 reasons why it should be one of the best holiday destinations in Europe and you should definitely visit it ASAP. First of all, the weather. The capital Agde has the Mediterranean climate prevailing, so the summers are very hot and dry, which makes your beach stay perfect with sunshine and nice warm water around 20 degrees from April to October. So don't hesitate and come to get your natural tan or vitamin D, or just do like me, simply hailing myself from a minor coffee from the gentle Scottish breeze. Also make sure to take a stroll on the beautiful sandy beaches for sunrise and sunset when they are not crowded at all.
今天的我们看到了日出，为了看这个起挺早的。
The second reason, it is well worth your money. The capital Agde is relatively cheaper compared to many other Mediterranean holiday destinations.
And luckily, we have a direct flight from London and Edinburgh
and Manchester to Beziers Airport, which is only 20 minutes away by car from Capital Agde. The hotels, villas, rental apartments are also wallet friendly. I am a huge fan of fruits and vegetables. No offense, but living in the UK, I have been slowly forgetting how to obtain enough range of vitamins and minerals without supplements and at a friendly price. With money of a box of 20 tiny strawberries in British supermarkets, you can easily buy all 5 of your day with many more choices.
Want à 30 euro. Where?
The third reason is the people. Of course, majority of the people here during the summers are from all over the Europe, but everyone seems to be really cool, and you can totally be yourself, and they don't really care. All the local friendly people and vendors are super relaxed and baguette. FYI, baguette is a very useful and authentic expression I learned in French. That means no given. The people have literally baguette. They don't judge. They don't give a shit about where you're from, what language you speak, what you are wearing, or if you're wearing anything at all. In fact, they're so baguette that even can't care less if you enjoy the sunshine without wearing anything at all, if you are such a baguette yourself. So there is a resort for you can choose just being famous of the nude beach, aka naturist village.
Say hello. You have been a very good boy, waiting for me here.
The fourth reason has to be the food. I really like that you have so many choices in French cuisine, and everyone admits that French people are the best at bakeries. I made two 1-minute long funny videos while I was there telling about how obsessed people are with baguette. Please check it out and have a love. Links are in the description. And not to mention the bars and the restaurants along the beaches, they are guaranteed to surprise your taste buds.
现在呢，我们来到沙滩旁边的一个非常有名的餐厅，就是 Beach Coco， 吃个碗。
Of course, if you were fond of French cheese, don't forget to load your suitcases with the best fromage français.
我们明天要回英国啦，今天我们来超市大采购，多买一些 cheese。
For one of the best boulangeries, we strongly recommend Saint Benoit, not sponsored by the way. Try their croissants and mini desserts. Oh my god! 肉到阿累阿了 boulangerie, au revoir.
这些人都认识我了，我天天来。
Je descends du chipame là.
I'm vlogging.
Chipame là. Tradition.
Ouais.
Venez me chercher.
Alors, bonjour. Bonjour, je voudrais 3 baguettes tradition et 13 mini chocatou, s'il vous plaît.
Oh, le petit pain de graisse, c'est ça?
The fifth reason is the activities. Besides from chilling at the beach or in a swimming pool, the Captain Agde offers various other fun activities. Why not try to take a boat trip from the harbor and learn how to sail or swim in the sea?
Oh, okay.
Or take a day excursion and visit a beautiful nearby town such as Beziers or Set.
Now we are at the top of this city called Beziers. It's a coastal city with a huge boats, and we can see an oyster farm there, and ports there.
You can even explore the world-famous cave of Clamus to admire the beauty of nature formed over millions of years. There are even more fun places like Luna Park, Cutting No. 1, Forest Adventure, just a few minutes away from the city center. For nightlife, there are bands in the bars, DJs in some of the beach clubs, and of course, don't get too greedy on the relatively cheaper than UK booze.
Today we are going hiking on that volcano.
There are many more reasons why Captain Agde or Agde should be one of the best summer holiday destinations in Europe. Why don't you just come over and check it out yourself? Then you can judge if I have been bluffing this whole time or not. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Possibly come over to my channel and watch some other travel videos on nice places like Mexico, Iceland, North Ireland and etc. I am Lulu and see you next week.
Okay, I finished, baby. We can go to the boulangerie now.
Nous allons à la boulangerie!